Hello, welcome to our neighborhood. We're here at 1449 Naomi Street with a brand new build. This house is just over 1,700 square feet and it's 20-minute walking distance from Fountain Square. Let's take you inside and check it out. Now that we're inside, let's show you around. We have LVP flooring. It's very resistant to scratches, waterproof, very family friendly. You come over here, we have our nice kitchen, open floor plan, concept, huge island in the middle. We can have 5, 6 bar chairs up here. You can entertain while you're cooking and you can enjoy your whole family. Over here, what we have here is a office area, or you could use it as a dry bar, whatever you prefer. So we finally made it upstairs. We had made it to the primary suite. You come in here, you continue on with these nice, wonderful LVP flooring. You have your laundry set up here, your closet, and then you have your primary bathroom. And finally, we have this nice concrete patio out here where you can sit out here, entertain your family, your guests, and enjoy the sun. If you'd like more about this property, just send me a message.